Hello guys, welcome to my another video. Today's video contains top 05 kitchen dish drying rack that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. And subscribe now please. So let's start the video. The over-the-sink dish drying rack by Arst POE presents a practical solution for kitchen organization while maximizing countertop space. With its sturdy construction composed of hard metal and durable hard plastic hooks, this dish drying rack offers both stability and reliability. Measuring 12.2D and 35.4W, 20.2H, it is designed to conveniently fit over the sink, allowing water to drain directly without mess. This rack features a two-tier design with 4 baskets, enhancing its storage capacity while keeping dishes, utensils, and sponges neatly arranged. The adjustable and expandable nature of the rack allows it to accommodate various kitchen sizes and configurations, making it an ideal choice for both small and larger kitchens. Weighing just 7.5 pounds, it is easy to handle and install, yet it is robust enough to support a weight limit of 50 pounds. The black finish adds a sleek and modern touch, seamlessly blending with most kitchen decors. Moreover, the rust-resistant
The 4 baskets over the sink dish drying rack by YKLSLH is an impressive addition to any kitchen, seamlessly combining functionality with a modern aesthetic. Constructed from hard metal, this dish drying rack is not only sturdy, but also built to withstand up to 80 pounds of load, making it a reliable choice for daily use. The product dimensions of 12.2 D x 24.8 W x 20.5 AH provide ample space for drying dishes while fitting comfortably over most sinks. One of its standout features is the expandable and adjustable design, which allows for customization to fit various kitchen setups, enhancing its versatility. This adaptability means it can accommodate different size dishes and utensils, making it suitable for households of any size. Furthermore, with a weight of merely 7.7 pounds, it remains lightweight, making installation and repositioning hassle-free. In terms of user feedback, the dish drying rack boasts an impressive rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars from over 2,000 customers.
Over-the-sink dish drying rack by Sage offers a practical solution for anyone seeking to optimize kitchen space while enhancing the drying experience for dishware. Constructed from durable metal, this dish drying rack combines functionality and style with its sleek black color, making it an appealing addition to any kitchen decor. With dimensions of 11.5 inches deep, 34.6 inches wide, and 20.7 inches high, it fits over most sink configurations, allowing for efficient dish drying without consuming valuable countertop space. Weighing only 6.6 pounds, it's relatively lightweight, which facilitates easy installation and adjustment. The rack's adjustable feature ensures that it can accommodate various sink sizes, further enhancing its versatility.
The over-the-sink dish drying rack by SNTD is an impressive addition to any kitchen, effectively blending functionality with modern design. Made from durable metal, this rack promises longevity and strength, easily supporting a maximum weight capacity of 36.29 kilograms. Its dimensions of 12.4 inches deep, 26.8 inches wide, and 20.5 inches high make it a compact yet spacious solution for drying dishes, enabling users to maximize their countertop space while making efficient use of the area above the sink. One of the standout features of this product is its expandable and adjustable design, allowing it to accommodate various sink sizes ranging from 26.8 to 34.6 inches. This flexibility ensures that it meets the needs of a wide range of kitchens, enhancing its appeal to a diverse customer base. The black finish adds a sleek, contemporary look that integrates effortlessly with most kitchen styles. The incorporation of a sponge holder adds to its functionality, ensuring
the Viver dish drying rack presents a practical solution for anyone seeking an efficient and stylish addition to their kitchen. Crafted from durable polypropylene, this dish rack is designed to withstand the rigors of daily use while maintaining its sleek silver finish. Its dimensions, measuring 12.6 inches deep by 22 inches wide and standing 15 inches tall, provide ample space for a variety of dishware, making it a versatile asset in any kitchen. This drying rack stands out for its remarkable space-saving design, easily accommodating kitchen utensils while also offering the flexibility to be mounted over the sink, on the sink, or placed on a tabletop. This adaptability is particularly beneficial for kitchens with limited counter space, allowing users to maximize their available area. With a weight limit of 22 pounds, it can securely hold a large quantity of dishes, ensuring that it meets the needs of households of various sizes. One of the notable features of the Vivor dish